How to make job board website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started. And now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So we need the job board website. I'm just typing the job board, and here you can see job listings, jobs and employment, career resources and planning, recruitment agency, resumes and portfolios. So for an example, I'll choose this one, jobs listings. I think that option is the best, and this is basically the same as a job board. You can choose another one if you want. What do you want to do with your website? The second step. So here guys, you need to choose what do you want to do with your website. Basically, yes, very easy. So purposes of your website, get appointments, maybe build community, not really. Promote a physical business, not really. Sell services, no. Offer a contact form, definitely. Promote an event or project, don't think so. Sell memberships, no. Sell products, no. Sell online courses, no. Publish a blog or other media, maybe. You can publish some media, some content, maybe you need this. Send invoices, yes, why not? So feel free to choose whatever you want. How would you like to start building your website? You have two options here, guys. You can build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI, or you can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. To be honest, guys, I'm not a big fan of AI technology, AI, this Blueprint Squarespace AI. I prefer to browse templates. I really like this one, so I'm gonna choose this one. And here, guys, you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. Also here you can change some types of your website, some topics. If you don't like any of those templates, don't worry guys, you can choose even another topic. For example, I don't know, even a food topic or fashion topic, and rework this template. For example, I'm gonna show you food. You can even choose this one, this template, and like delete all of those, all of these images. This barbecue is live. You can fully rework it, and you'll have the website that you want. Really easy to edit, really easy to customize everything. I'll show you later. But for this video, I'm gonna choose the template that Squarespace.com is offering to us. For example, this one, I think this is the best option. Very serious, you know. Corrigan. Here you can sample color presets. You can do yellow, blue, red. But later I'm gonna show you how to change colors more accurate. Here you can see we have only 12 options, not a really big amount. So start with this design. And now you need to create a site name. Just for an example, for this video I'm gonna name it like maybe jobs from let is my name, by the way. So some tips, we don't need them. Get started. And here, guys, you have a menu right here on the left, and in this menu you can manage some stuff about your website. You can manage some stuff about your products if you are gonna sell something, maybe, or invoicing, content and membership, donations, scheduling, uh, marketing, contacts, analytics. And by the way, analytics, very interesting page. I really recommend you to use this. You can have traffic data about your visitors, about amount of visits, unique visitors, page views, even the geography of your visitors, very essential one, you know. I really think that every site owner should, not even should, must use this one. So first of all, pages. You can have you can manage some stuff about your pages. You can add a new page, you can delete, for example, our team, you can delete this page, and you can link, for example, here you can see main navigation menu. You can link the home page to this menu. Here it is, but it's not a really big deal, because you know, when you're okay, doesn't matter. Styles, you can change some themes, fonts, colors, uh, buttons, forms, whatever you want. And here it is, as I told you about colors. You can have any color you want, even this crazy mix of colors, whatever you want. You can have ready-made themes. Okay, for example, this one. And let's move straight to editing. Click this button, edit, and now you can edit almost everything here. You can change the placement, change the size, you can change the size of section, you can edit this section, you can add a background image, or you can just change the color of background. You can do it light, dark, whatever. You can okay, it doesn't matter. Yes, you can do it like this, you know. You can do it red, whatever. You can add a background image, as I already said. You can add some stuff, you know, like text, image, video, audio, form, button, whatever you want. For example, image. You can upload an image from your computer. You can even use free images from squarespace.com. Something about job, for example, this one. Like this. And you can basically change this text, double click on this text, delete this text, and write whatever you want. For example, best options to have a job, I don't know, whatever, scale it, change the font because I don't really like this font. Whatever. Also, you can delete the whole section like this. You can add a new section, for example, I don't know, quotes or testimonials, whatever. And you need to save changes as frequently as possible just to not lose your progress. And when you're done editing your website, you need to click exit and you need to subscribe to be able to publish your website, so anyone can see it. If you want to publish it, you need to subscribe, you need to select a plan. Simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support. You can have personal, business, basic, advanced. If you want to sell something on your website, I really recommend to use commerce versions, you know, basic or advanced. Or you can choose most popular one, business one, only $23 per month. And when you are done, instead of this button subscribe, you'll get publish button, also blue one. So in general, site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try it, to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. And I think that in this video showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel, click a like button. See you soon.